which is bentang-benta ngayon sa mga single. Gustong makamove on at kahit sa may asawa, ang nauusong virtual boyfriend na tinatawag na Otome Game o Otome Gami.
Pero may paalala ang isang eksperto, sa paggamit niya. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si Faith Del Mundo.
Single since birth and not looking for a serious relationship si Seven. Pero carry lang naman daw yan sa kanya dahil may nagpapasaya pa rin naman kay Seven. Meet Rafael, ang kanyang virtual boyfriend. Courtesy yan ng mobile otome game na Love and Deep Space.
He's such a romantic, and I think it helps that he's an artist, that he knows how to show, how to convey his feelings. He's so poetic. He's just so You find love in the most unexpected places.
Si Kit nakapag-move on na raw sa heartbreak dulot ng kanyang ex sa tulong din niya ng kanyang virtual BF na si Caleb. Sabi pa ni Kate, mas madalas pa nga raw siyang naaalala ni Caleb kaysa sa naging ex niya.
They remind you to eat, like how an actual boyfriend does. Like they would remind you you need to work on this and that, and they're able to track your period as well. Nangangamusta rin sila how is your health today and stuff like that. And although it's in modern dating kasi, you don't get that. You don't really get that attentiveness and that care, unfortunately.
Ang Love and Deep Space ay isang 3D sci-fi otome game o ito ay para sa mga kababaihan para ma-stimulate ang love at romance. Ito ay RPG game o role-playing game na maaari kang makapag-interact sa character. Katulad nga nito, may relax time, may quality time. Piliin natin yung relax time at yung kanyang kamay.
Hey, are you greeting me? Should I say hi back?
O diba? Nakakakilig.
Here's how Lemurians greet.
Maging si 2015 Binibining Pilipinas first runner-up Hana Season na happily married na, nahilig na rin sa otome game. Approve naman daw ito sa kanyang mister.
Gusto ko yung someone who can express a lot. He submits to you as a person, as a lover, ganun.
Ilan lang sila sa 50 million players ng Love and Deep Space sa buong mundo. Tingin ng psychologist na si Dr. Camille Garcia, posibleng nagpapawala ng stress ang laro dahil sa lambing na kayang ibigay ng virtual boyfriend.
Tumaas yung dopamine level mo, ibig sabihin, wala kang stress. Nare-relieve yung tension na nararamdaman mo. Kung sasabihin mong gano'n na very anxious ka, tapos parang magko-confine ka dito, uy, alam mo, tense ako, tapos may biglang sasagot, di ba parang, ay, ang sarap ng feeling. Napaka-thoughtful, ang lambing, tapos parang yung pag meron kang sinabi, sumasagot ka agad. So definitely, it's something na parang comforting.
Pero paalala ni Doc Camille, hinay-hinay pa rin sa paglalaro.
Alam mo na it's something virtual. Alam mo na it will be able to help you lang para mas maganda yung social skills mo, yung social aspect mo ma-enhance. 3, kung sakaling ako yung tipo ng tao na hindi marunong ma-in love, matututo ako dito. Kasi it's somebody na you'll be able to secure yourself, tapos yung bonding mo.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Faith Del Mundo, News 5.
Mga kapatid, may Los Baños po. Huwag magpahuli sa mga balita at impormasyong dapat ninyong malaman. Para sa mas malawak na balitaan at diskusyon, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.